At this point, I'd like to introduce my kindred spirit, the guy without the tie, Andy Stern from SEIU.
Thanks very much, Todd. I say a lot in my own union that I never in my wildest dreams when I was growing up did I ever think I would be a leader of the largest union in the United States, but probably equally unusual as I never thought I'd sit in the NFIB with Todd Stottlemyre and John Castellotti and actually not be in that punching match you talked about, Todd. So this is really, I think, an enormously important moment of history for our country, and as Todd said, what we're all trying to do together, I think, makes a big difference. I like to say our country and the rest of the world is living through the most profound, the most transformative economic revolution in the history of the world. There have actually only been 3 economic revolutions. The agricultural took 3,000 years, the industrial took 300 years. And this revolution, and that's what we are embarking on, of going from a national to an international economy and from manufacturing work to more mind work, is only going to take 30 years. So no single generation of people have ever witnessed this much change in a single lifetime. So there's a lot at stake for our country. We are now competing against other countries around the world, and we're the only nation on earth that puts the price of health care on the cost of our products when our competitors don't. America now needs to figure out, as Todd said, a new competitive model about investment, and America has to see itself as a team. And that's what I think you see here today, that 4 people who love this country and want to do what's right for this country, and who understand, as Bill started, divided we fail. We all can fight with each other, as we too often do in Washington, but in the end, for Americans, this is not about left or right or Democrats and Republicans. It's really about what's right or wrong for our country. And I'm really proud to be here today with 4 people who I think, understand that there's a big challenge facing our country. Our kids' futures are at stake, and that we should all rise above our initials, and be good Americans. And being good Americans is making a plan where everybody has the financial and health security that they need. And so I'm very proud to be here, Todd, with all of you, and glad that we can keep moving forward. Thanks.